So, what I want to talk to you about today is what Pearl Lemon Sales can offer to a business like the script by heart approach. Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development company based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And here today in day number 72 of 119 days of cold calling training, we're here to talk about the script by heart approach. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to our 17 additional strategies that are not shared in this training. So look, fundamentally speaking, this is going to be a pretty straightforward but important one. Like, please learn your scripts off by heart. Like, get into a stage where you use the script day one, day two, and then by day three, you've got the script in your head and you're able to tweak it just mentally. Okay, if you stay reliant upon a written script, then you're just going to have challenges, and the challenges will come with all of the elements that are outside of the script, because the truth is there is the script multiplier, which always is an effect of any script. So what I mean by that is that a script has typically 2 to 4 versions. Let's call it 3. A script will typically have 3 versions depending upon who it is that you speak to. Okay, and the versions really are a combination of the concise pitch. So the concise pitch with me being like, Deepak, I've just got 5 seconds. What is it? Look, we cold call, Richard. If you fancy someone like me cold calling, we could jump on the phone and we could start making cold calls for you as soon as next week. That's what I was calling to talk to you about. Actually, Deepak, that sounds quite interesting. I like your confidence. Can we have a call tomorrow, say 2 p.m.? So there you go, guys. That would be an example of a super short script, right? The other script that you'd have is, hey, Richard, listen, my name's Deepak Shukla. I'm calling from Pearl Lemon Sales. How would you like the idea of someone who's as bright, as sprightly as myself, placing cold calls for your company? We do this day in, day out. And what I want to work with you on is how we're going to start doing this day in, day out for your company, richardmarketing.com. So there you have it, guys. There's an example of script number 2. And hopefully you get the idea right now. And what begins to happen as you get the script nailed down by heart, each of those variations have innumerable paths that you can walk down depending upon what a decision maker asks you. So you have your script, and you know, any good script should also, I mean, we'll probably go into more script training as such, but it should contain your objections. You should have a knowledge sheet as well. So the knowledge sheet is, so objections are, you know, the FAQs, objection handling, all of that. Well, just objections you get about time, about money, about product. The knowledge sheet is, you know, company founder, year it was founded, years, number of clients, offices, employees. So all of the kind of vital statistics of a business. So you'd have your objections, your vitals, your knowledge bank. You have your FAQs, just frequently asked questions generally about the product as an example. And then you would also potentially have, well, you have the service knowledge. So what is it that you actually deliver? And then maybe the team makeup. Who is it that would be working with you? So as you can begin to see, there's elements that you need upon a script to be able to enact the script by heart approach. We'll kind of go into this in a separate training, I think. So as much as you can, get to know the script inside out, get to know the script by heart, and that's going to help you a ton on calls, because where the magic happens is in oftentimes all of the elements outside of the script. Okay, when you get thrown I beg your pardon, when you get thrown a curveball and you have to catch it, okay, and if you're not comfortable here, there's no way you're going to be comfortable down there, and that's going to lead you to net losing more calls than you'll win if you haven't got the script down pat, if you can't handle all of the standard objections, because every, you know, 1 in 4 appointments that I'll book, it will contain something that I've potentially not come up against before, but I'm able to manage it because I've got the script nailed down. So whether you need to sit with it and burn a candle late at night to learn the script, whether it's just a matter of reading the script, using it on calls, and then fundamentally being able to pull the script away from yourself, that's a technique that I recommend, because You'll be nervous when you pull the script away from yourself. You'll fumble bits of it, but you'll be actually genuinely surprised by how much of the script you do recall. And not having the script in front of you, but being asked to summon it from memory will improve your recall for all of the calls to come. And that as a muscle is something you absolutely should train, because then call after call, you're going to become more and more competent and able to just use and pitch a script off by heart. And that means you're going to be able to task switch, to move in and out of different scripts, and therefore you're just going to get a better ROI. So please, however you want to do it, learn the script off by heart. Cheers.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.